Hello guys, welcome again. Today we are going to discuss part 2 of our topic important rivers of Jammu and Kashmir. Let's start. Our first question is Kausar Nag Lake is source water of which river in Kashmir Valley? Option A, River Sindh, B, River Vesho, C, River Lidr, D, River Rambir. Correct answer is option B, River Vesho, Kausar Nag Lake. Source water of River Sindh is Gangbal Lake. And source of actually two streams, that is East Lidr and West Lidr joins to form Lidr, and source of East Lidr is Sheeshnag Lake, and source of West Lidr is Tarsar Lake. Source of Rambir lies in Pir Panjal mountains. Our next question is which among the following rivers do not discharge its waters into Chenab River? Option A, Ravi, B, Tavi, C, Jhelum, D, Aj. Correct answer is option D, River Aj. River Aj drains its water into River Ravi. And all these three rivers, Ravi, Tavi and Jhelum, drains its water into River Chenab. Later River Chenab joins Satluj River in Pakistan, and these two rivers form famous Panjab River in Pakistan, and this Panjab River drains its water into Indus River in Pakistan. Our next question is famous ancient battle of 10 kings was fought on the banks of which river? Option A, Chenab, B, Ravi, C, Satluj, D, Beas. Correct answer is option B, Ravi. Battle of 10 kings was fought on the banks of river Ravi. Sanskrit name of river Chenab is Asakni. Sanskrit name of river Ravi is Iravati. Satluj is Saturdi. And B is Vipasa. Source of Chenab lies on Baralacha Pass in Himachal Pradesh. Source of Ravi lies on Rotang Pass in Himachal Pradesh. Source of Satluj lies in Rakshasthal Lake in Tibet. Source of Beas lies on Beas Kund in Himachal Pradesh. Our next question is ancient site of Manda is situated on the banks of which river in J&K? Option A, Chenab, option B, Tavi, option C, Suru, option D, Sindh. Correct answer is option A, Chenab. Ancient site of Manda lies on Chenab in Akhnur town of Jammu district. On Tavi lies the famous Bahu Fort of Jammu. On Suru river lies Kargil town. On Sindh lies famous Gandarbal town. Our next question is through which of the following mountain passes river Satluj enters into India from Tibet? Option A, Kardungla Pass, B, Sipkila Pass, C, Margan Pass, D, Zojila Pass. Correct answer is option second, Sipkila Pass. River Satluj enters into India through Sipkila Pass in Himachal Pradesh. Kardungla Pass is highest motorable pass in world, and Margan Pass connects Kashmir Valley with Warwan Valley of Kishtwar. Warman Valley of Kishtwar, and Zojila Pass lies on Srinagar Leh Highway. Srinagar Leh Highway. Another question is, which among the following tributaries of river Jhelum originate from Greater Himalayas or Zanskar range? Option A, Sindh, B, Vesho, C, Rambir, D, Dudhganga. Correct answer is option A, Sindh. Source of Sindh river is Gangbal Lake, and Gangbal Lake lies in Zanskar range or Greater Himalayas. And source of these three rivers, Vesho, Rambir and Dudhganga, lies on Pir Panjal range. Pir Panjal range. All these four are tributaries of river Jhelum. Our next question is, Sawalkot hydroelectric power project of Jammu and Kashmir is constructed on which of the following river basins? Option A, Jhelum, B, Chenab, C, Tavi, D, Ravi. Correct answer is option B, Chenab. Sawalkot power project is constructed on Chenab river, and on Jhelum famous Uri project is constructed, and also the first power project of Jammu and Kashmir, that is Mohra, is also constructed at Jhelum river in Baramulla district. On Chenab, Sawalkot, Salal, Dulhasti, Baglihar, Kirthai, Kawar and Kiru hydroelectric power projects are constructed. On Tavi lies famous Chinani hydroelectric power project in Udhampur district, and on Ravi lies Seva hydroelectric power project in Kathua district. Our next question is, which of the following rivers only touches the border of Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, Ravi, B, Tavi, C, Chenab and D, Aj. Correct answer is option A, River Ravi. River Ravi flows only through the border of Kathua district. River Tavi flows through Doda, Udhampur and Jammu districts, and then joins River Chenab. Chenab river, after entering into Jammu and Kashmir, flows through district Kishtwar, Doda, Riyasi, Ramban and Jammu district, and later joins Satluj river in Pakistan, and river Aj flows only through Kathua district and later joins river Ravi. Our next question is, which among the following is wrongly matched? Option A, Jhelum Vairinag. Option B, Chenab Baralacha Pass. Option C, Rotang Pass. Option D, B is Rakshasthal Lake. Correct answer of this question is option D, B is Rakshasthal Lake. These two are wrongly matched. Source of B is lies on Biskund in Himachal Pradesh, and Rakshasthal Lake is source of river Satluj in Tibet. Source of river Jhelum is Vairinag in Anantnag district, and source of Chenab is Baralacha Pass in Himachal Pradesh, and source of Ravi river is Rotang Pass in Himachal Pradesh. Our next question is, Which among the following rivers divide Jammu city into two parts? Option A, Tavi, B, Ravi, C, Aj, and D, Manawar Tavi. Correct answer is option A, River Tavi. This river Tavi divides Jammu city into two parts, and River Tavi also provides drinking water to Jammu city. Our next question is, which famous river of India is referred as Sorrow of Bihar? The answer of this question, guys, you have to write in comment section. So guys, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you.